Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. I'm doing something a little different this time. I'm not going to be doing a makeup video. I'm going to be doing a how to cut extensions video because I've been rocking my hair naturally and it's, I don't want to say it's relatively short, but it's more like medium length now. I mean, it was like really short before, like bob short, but now it's a nice medium length, and these are my extensions. As you can see, they are very long, and I actually layered these myself, so I'll get to show, well, yeah, I'll show you how long they actually are, and then we're gonna go ahead and snip away. My hair is a mess currently, but I have my trusty Chi straightener and that will get the kinks out of anything, so I have faith in that. I'm gonna relatively straighten my hair. These aren't really straight, they're kind of like wavy, I guess. I have to like actually brush them out. Okay, if you want to see how I cut extensions, keep watching. Thanks. I want the extensions to be a little bit longer than my actual hair, so that way if my hair does continue to grow, I can still use the extensions. Back to straightening. So my hair is straight now. This is the length. It's not 100% straight, and I don't want it to be 100%. I don't want it to be 100% straight, just for the simple fact that it's like greasy and dirty and I need to wash it, so I'm not going to put a lot of effort into it. Let's keep it real. Okay. So yeah, this is straight enough. I know the length now. This is its potential. This is where it's going. So now I'm going to grab my extensions, and these extensions are actually from Bombay hair. And okay, not getting paid to say this, 100% honest review right now. I have been wearing extensions for the past 11 years, on and off, not like consecutively, but on and off. No, I have never tried sewing. No, I have never tried taping. I only use clip-in extensions just because I like the luxury of literally at the end of the day clipping them off and hanging them on your bedside. You know, sometimes you just don't want to do extensions, but because I love my extensions and I literally cannot let go of them, like, ever, because they're a part of me now, I like to alter them. For those of you who are literally questioning me right now and saying, oh my god, she probably spent so much money on them, why the hell is she even cutting them in the first place? Well, so the gag is I have another pair of extensions that are literally the same exact things, same length, relatively same color. The other ones are a little lighter, but the other ones are thicker, and these are my thinner ones. And I chose to cut my thinner ones just for the simple fact that I want a little bit of volume, because as you can see, my hair is like super thin. This is like my natural texture. So because my hair is thin, I like to add a little volume and just clip them in, clip them out whenever I want. I had a pair of hair cutting scissors. No idea where they are. So I'm gonna use these. These are like seriously old school. Like my great grandmother used to cut our ends when we were younger with this scissor. So I've used it before and I'm gonna use it again because you know what? I know it works and I know it gets the job done. So if you do have professional cutting scissors, good for you, please use them. If you do not, don't use paper cutting scissors because you will jack your hair up. I'm warning you right now. don't use kitchen cutting scissors. Don't use paper cutting scissors. Like, your hair will look horrendous. Also, I just want to pause and say real quick, Mom, if you're watching, I promise I will clean up every single hair on the floor after this video. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna section off my hair. I'm gonna use my thumbs because I have acrylics. So yeah, it's easier. I mean, if you want to use a comb, do that. Be my guest. Do whatever you want to do, okay? Actually section it off in the middle and pull it in the front because my extensions are gonna pull from the front too. So for those of you who have never used extensions or are currently using extensions or are currently bought extensions and don't know how to use them, I will show you. So, in every 9-piece or 8-piece extension set, there are going to be a various amount of clips in different settings. So this one is a 3-clip. So if you can see, 1, 2, 3. So I like using these 3 clips on the bottom. Some people like to use 4, but I have a relatively small head, so we're gonna do 3. I used to use 2, but I upgraded. Okay, so we're just gonna literally twirl it around and clip in, literally. Just slip it in. Okay. So, I'm gonna go up a little bit so you can see how long these are. I'm not gonna cut straight, okay? I'm not gonna cut straight. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut slanted and down. So, with little strokes, I just kind of let the scissor glide off. Voila. What I'm gonna do is literally let the hair sit in this part of the scissors and just lightly kind of do this motion. You don't want to completely close the scissor because you will mess your extensions up so bad. Trust me. Light strokes. Just let it sit in the middle right here and just like this. Just slowly. So, and when you do it, just go like downwards. This is awkward hand positioning, but whatever. This is the end result. This is what it was before, and this is where it is now. Guys, that's it. I cut my extensions. So here is the final cut. So this is how long my hair is. And it ends about here. So that gives me enough length, which is this much to work with. Which I think is good because when my hair starts growing. I mean, I could still make use of these extensions until my hair grows out of them. But yeah, that's it. That concludes this video. I hope that this video was useful for you, and I hope it gave enough tips. If you guys want to see anything else, please let me know. Bye.